Welcome to the Big Career Fair. This is our university-wide all majors career fair. We offer this opportunity as a way for students from various different disciplines to come and meet with employers to explore career pathways if they're not certain what they want to do yet. We've got lots of internships, lots of early talent jobs, and this year more graduate programs than we've ever had before.
We come to this career fair every year to meet with MTSU students and alumni. We're just making connections with students just to give them the information about our company, tell them what positions we have available so that they can keep us in mind for the future.
To be here is an absolute pleasure today. I'm MTSU homegrown MTSU student, and I think it's awesome for us to be here today to catch other students who want to get a start and see how it is in the career force to support their community.
As an alumni, I would say the best thing that any teacher taught me was to network. You have no idea how important it is. Being at a career fair like this is super important for companies like ours because there's so many different majors here and they may find something that they love.
We're here at the second time that we've been out here to the MTSU Career Fair, and we really enjoy being here. We enjoy the activities, the energy that's in the room, and the students. These students are just amazing. We hired several to the dealership last year, and we just can't say enough about the staff, the facility, how well this is put off every single year here at MTSU.
I really came here today because I knew there was possible opportunities for me, and MTSU offers so many career building opportunities that I knew that I would find something today, and I definitely did. I found encouragement, others that wanted to do something different just like me, and just overall a great experience.